We'll go over the sin function. You have x as the cosine of the angle, then you have y as the sine of the angle, which is here, your x and your y. So if you take all the sines, which is all the y's in the unit circle, you would have the sine function, and x would have been your angle. It would have a range of -1 to 1. So the sinus of the angle is the vertical motion created when a point rotates around a circle. So if I were to draw this, I would have x as my angle, and then you would have sine of the angle. So when you're at 0, you have sine as 0 as well. Then you would reach 1 at pi divided by 2. Then you would reach again 0 at pi. And at 3 pi divided by 2, that would be a -1. And again, you would reach 0 at 2 pi. So your reference is the unit circle. So as you can see, it is like a wave. It means that when your angle is pi divided by 2, then the sine is 1. When the angle is pi, then sine of the angle is 0. Then at 3 pi divided by 2, you would go to -1. And then at 2 pi, sine is 0.